Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix or change time zone on Windows Server 2022. Type timedate.cpl in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.